my YouTube channel. After a very long time I'm uploading video. I was getting so many comments from you guys like when the next parts are coming. So yeah, here we are with the next part, and from today onwards I will be continue uploading video on this channel, so stay tuned for that. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So in this video we will quickly fix one issue that you may also be facing if you are following this playlist. So before actually starting the video, if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, then do subscribe it now, because more Firebase related videos are coming, and not only Firebase, I'm going to be uploading more game tutorials, so stay tuned for that and hit the like button. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's jump into the Unity. So first I will show you like what are the changes that I have made. Some small UI changes, nothing major. So in the Firebase login scene, I have just created one simple panel here, nothing functional. This is just an UI which is basically, we can remove it as of now because I haven't created any function yet. So this is the game panel, which is having a simple button, nothing major. And in the game scene, we'll just save it, and in the game scene I have also created one button here. Just to test, I will tell you why I have created this button. This is the go to menu button, which will basically bring back us to the menu scene. So I have created one simple like function for it. I can show you. Yeah, this is the simple function just to load the Firebase login scene. Okay, so let me quickly show you what is the issue, so you may also facing the same. So first of all, I will just disable this screen. So by default I would suggest all the screen should be disabled. Okay, so now if we play, yeah, so I will put my email ID, and for privacy purpose I will hide that. Yeah, so my password. Okay, so now if I log in, so as you can see I came to my game scene, and if I try to go back to the menu, and this is why that I have created this button, as you can see I go back to the menu and try to focus in the hierarchy. When I go to menu, it open the Firebase scene and again bring me back to my game scene. So let's understand why it is happening. So basically if I open this Firebase Auth Manager, so what it is doing is basically when it checks for the auto login, so if the email verification all is done, so it basically direct load this game scene that we don't want to do, right? So for that, what we'll basically do is, we have this panel, so we'll need to create one function in UI manager to open the game scene, right? So we will require a panel, so I will just copy that and duplicate it. So it will be a game panel. Okay, save it, and we will create one function. Yeah, in clear UI don't forget to add the game panel as well, because this should also be set active false when we clear the UI, right? And we will create one function for the same. What we will call it, open game panel, right? Okay, so first we will clear the UI, so if other panels are open, so that should be closed, and just simply enable the game panel, set active true. Okay, so now open game panel is done. So now we will need the function for the button that we have inside the game panel, which is this button, right? So maybe we can create this function inside the Firebase Auth, in the bottom we will create one. Let's say open game scene, right? And the function that we were calling above, this will need the same, so we'll just paste it here, right? So let's jump on Unity and we'll just assign this function into that button. So Firebase Auth, and here should be a function open game scene. Yeah, okay. So now we have a functional panel, but we have still that issue. So what we simply need to do is, on the auto login part, what we will do, we will not open our game scene, we will delete it, and instead we will say UI manager dot instance and open the game panel, right? We will just copy this line, and whenever we log in and we successfully log in, so where's that, scroll, yeah, here it is. Yeah, so we'll just paste it here. Okay, so we are already logged in, so basically currently auto login part will be running. So before actually playing the game, we must set our references. So we'll just bring the game panel here, and in Firebase Auth we don't need anything. So yeah, we are all set. So now if I play the game, so instead of opening the game scene directly, it should open my panel, as you can see. So if I just open game, so I will go to my game scene, and if I say go back, go to menu, so it will again open my game panel. So it's kind of your game panel, not the login and registration part. So yeah, this was the quick fix. And yeah, many of you asking me in the comments so many things like how can we sign out. So on the same part I'm making video, so stay tuned for that video. And if you still haven't visited our blog and if you haven't heard about it, so you can visit our blog gamedevsolutions.com, as you can see on the display as well. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, and hope this quick fix was helpful, and many other helpful videos are coming, so stay tuned. Thank you guys.